What's up, yard fanatics? It's a blistering. They say it's 40, but it feels. Look, this how cold it is. I got my Super Duty thick gloves on. It's cold out here. Hey guys, look. That's one reason I always bring somebody with me so they can blow them leaves off the roof. Cause I can't do it. I don't know about you, hey Vic, down there in Conyers, Georgia. Guys, I don't know if you got somebody on top of your roof blowing those leaves for you, but I can't get my old ass up there. I'm sorry. I always got to bring somebody, but yeah, check them out, man. You know it's cold. I had to leave the truck running. But that's how he got up on the roof, guys. He stepped on top of the truck and he got up there. Now he's blowing it off. And it's just an easy way to pick up a few extra dollars. Off the roof blowing, gutter cleaning, and all this and that. And it doesn't take that long. Probably gonna take him about 15 minutes. Charge extra $30, $40. Easy money. And guys, normally when I send a guy on the roof, I got him using that BR 350. The reason it's a lighter backpack blower, no excessive weight. It's not like a 600, 700, 800 BR series blower. So that way it won't get so top heavy, where you blow itself off the damn roof. And you kind of see how he's doing it. Staying kind of in the middle and just blowing the stuff down and off. So, to be honest with you, it's a pretty dangerous job. But that's kind of why I bring somebody with me. Hopefully I'll never have anybody to fall off the roof. Gotta make sure you got the right shoes on. The roof is not wet, so you won't be sliding. I would not do this while it's snowing. Just easy money, guys, but I'm gonna go ahead and shut this down because I gotta go ahead and while he's blowing that off, he's going onto the porch. I gotta blow the porch off while he's doing that. I guess so. Go ahead.
Record me, I might fall.
Yeah, I don't see you busting that ass. That's how they get off the top of the roof, man. So, guys, just a little quick video, nothing major. Just remember one thing: you're tuned into Bermuda Grass Central with BYD. This is Michael Bowman, and I'll talk to you soon. Okay, check this out. We got to put some pine straw down, right? And look, I just went to Home Depot. And Home Depot, you guys ought to be ashamed of yourself. This pine straw is pure trash. I got a dye that I use that I go ahead and treat after I put this down, but I just want you to see this is pure trash. This particular yard right here, that bed over there, normally when I first started doing it, we would use 5 bales of pine straw. Now we got to use anywhere from 7 to 8 because Home Depot and Lowe's, everybody, normally I got a guy who comes from Dublin, Georgia, bring me some long needle pine straw and we'll use it, but sometimes you got to buy the trash to complete the job. This is ridiculous. You are tuned into Bermuda Grass Central with BYD. This is Michael Bowman, and I'll talk to you guys. Look, I just want to show you this yard that I've been doing this yard for a while. And like I said, when I first started, it was infested with weeds. And this video is pretty much to show you the effects of prodiamine on your yard. All right. Now, as you see, I got a few spots. It's not going to get it all, but overall, we got a real good coverage, kill, or prevention on this yard. And you can look at the yard next door, you can see they got a lot of weeds. But the preem prevention on this yard was outstanding. And like I said, normally on your hill, you'll have some issues because it's kind of sloped. So your pre-emergent with a lot of rain will wash down. But I just want you to see some of the yards next to it. That yard over there got a lot of wild onion. And this yard next to it, look at that backyard. All right. That's how this yard used to look like. But with consistent pre-emergent, you know, over the years, you get good control. Now we still got some compaction in this area, so you'll start to see a lot of broadleaf weeds popping up in here, and that is oxybin that's in that and actually you can buy that separate, but that is oxybin. That's a good pre-emergent when you got a lot of broadleaf. But this preem that we're using, the prodiamine was the WDG65, whatever dissolvable granule, is doing this thing. And actually right now we're about to do another application of it. Got a guy over here putting down this bull crap pine straw that we had to end up getting from Home Depot, because my guy that I ordered from, you got to get at least 100 bales. And I hadn't lined up a lot of pine straw jobs yet. I'm working on them, but they wanted this done ASAP. So we're gonna go ahead. He's putting it down. As you can see, these bales, I mean, they ain't hitting on nothing. It ain't hitting on nothing. Normally you want that pine straw at least about 3 inches thick, because over a period of time it's gonna wear down. But he's doing it. But yeah, guys, the video is pretty much just to show you, you know, what that pine straw, what that pre-emergent does over time. And like I said, I'm about to do another application today on this one, and it's doing good, guys. It's doing. All right, guys, look, we're still out here, and I already started spraying back there. He's gonna go ahead. He got that thing. He got a real puppy. All right, and like I said, this is just a day in the life, BYD. You know, nothing spectacular going on here. Just a video, kind of give you guys an idea of what I do. Some people are asking me, BYD, is that your full-time job? No, my actual full-time job, like a lot of other people that do this, I'm actually a mail carrier. I work for the United States Postal Service. All right, that's what I do. But I've been doing landscaping, oh man, ever since I was 10 years old. You know, I started getting major in it when I was 18, when I graduated from high school, and I'm damn near 50 years old now. So I've been doing this ever since I was 18. I'm what, 40? About to turn 48? 40 years I've been doing this. 40 years. And I actually was trying to go full-time landscape, but when you start having kids and, you know, responsibilities, gotta have that insurance, it's a little harder. Will I get back into it full-time? Probably. But yeah, guys, this is just a day in the life. And like I said, we did all our measuring. He's gonna treat the front with that. I'm finna go hit the backyard with this right here. Covered 3,000 square feet. I got 3 gallons in here. I got, damn, I forgot how much we put in there. Prodiamine. I think I put a 0.5. Now, let me see. Last year I did a 0.4. We did a 0.4 per. So we're doing 0.4 prodiamine per 1,000 square feet with the prodiamine. And like I said, guys, I spiked it with a weed kill. Now, spiking it with a weed kill, I'm not putting it down at the recommended rate. I'm only putting a little weed kill in it because we got certain places like that got weeds in it, and we'll just kind of spray it a little bit to try to knock it down. But this yard is looking good. Like I said, now you do have micro weeds that you can't see, a bunch of bitter cress that may be in here since it's a little damp. But we're gonna go ahead and still, you know, spray the whole yard, and hopefully in a couple of weeks we'll start cutting it. We got to get this thing down. We need to cut it down to about a ½ an inch before the season actually starts. Well, before the grass actually starts growing. All right, so he's taking that blower. He's gonna go ahead and blow that wheat. And let me go ahead and finish this off, and I'll let you see what it looks like when we get through spraying. Okay, yard fanatics, you can see, like I said, we treated it, got it sprayed down. You can see the difference in that yard, and look over there and you can see that yard. Guys, one reason we went ahead and added the market dye, if you got a customer, excuse me, you're charging them for a service like putting down prodiamine or a weed kill, or you hired somebody, this is for the landscaper, and you're not sure if they're putting it down, you add a market dye to it, you can always tell what they did. All right, and like I said, you're going to see some lighter and darker spaces in here. Darker spaces where I kind of concentrate a little bit more, because we did spike it with a weed kill. Like I said, the weed kill, guys, is not at the recommended rate. It's just a soft agent just to kind of catch some of these weeds that are popping up. Now, if I have a problem later on, I will come back and treat again for that. But you can see it, guys. You can see it. I use the SG20 backpack sprayer, which is the steel. He used the Roundup with the fan tip, and we add a little bit more marker dye to his, so that's why I have that deeper bluer color on this particular, upper yard. And like I said, guys, this is nothing major, just kind of showing you guys, what this stuff look like. Let me go around here to the other side, and I'll let you see what it looks like over here too. So guys, one of the things when you spraying that pre-emergent, focus on your edges real good and focus on that property line. This is the beginning of crush thy neighbor. All right, this is how it starts, guys. If you get any of that excess, that blue marker dye will wash off concrete and anything else. If it gets on your clothes, once you throw it in the washing machine, it'll come right out. All right, so that's what that looks like, guys. Okay, guys, we're at the yard we did about 2 weeks ago where we sprayed it, and you can see how it's starting to fade. Got some poana coming up in here, so we'll probably come back and hit that with some image on them spots right there. Matter of fact, I think I'll set up a little bottle. Yeah, we got some right there too, right there by the mailbox. All right, he's gonna just take that blower, go to the back, see if we got any leaves and stuff back there. And guys, like I said, nothing major about this yard, just kind of touch up here and there, maybe a little weed control, and that's pretty much it for this yard. So let me set up this image, and I'm gonna go ahead and hit this real quick, guys. Now what you see, we actually use the image because we're chasing this poana, annual bluegrass right there. Even though I sprayed this a couple of weeks ago with a prodiamine, no, it wasn't prodiamine, that was that thiopyr 40 WSB, wettable soluble bag. We're going back and spot spraying the poana that's coming up right now. So you see that dark blue, and like I said, that stuff will wash off the concrete. Sometimes you get it over on it a little bit, but try not to. And we're just doing a little spot spraying. You can see as the 1 gallon of water. Man, you must have had no Crayolas when you was coming up. 1 gallon of water, 2.5 ounces of image, the winter weed killer, one that has poana. Remember, they have a summer formula, then they have one that kills summer and winter weeds. So we're just gonna go ahead and spot spray those areas right there, and you can see it right here. You can see the little white seeds starting to come up on it right there. All right, and he'll hit that, and then we got some areas. And this whole hill needs to be kind of hit again. You can see it where it's green at. Now, I have had people say, oh, my Bermuda is growing. And it's not Bermuda, guys. That's actually poana. That's not Bermuda grass coming up in there. So you got to be careful. If your temperatures are still low, Now there are some cases where we'll be starting to green up, but look, both of these people have Bermuda grass. All right, they solid weed treatment program over there. I cannot hate on that. I cannot hate on that. All right, we're working on this right here. We got to get this poa out of here, but that's not Bermuda grass that's growing. That's that poa. And normally, guys, you'll start to see that poa come around those edges. Hey, you must have didn't have no crayons when you was looking. Stay inside the lines, man. You'll start seeing it on the edges. And that's where he's treated at. All right. So, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and close this one on out. Just a day in the life. Okay, guys, that's it for today, man. Just thanks for hanging out with BYD, Big Yard Dog. And like I said, it's nothing special about this video. Just want to kind of show you some of the things that we do when we're out there, you know, doing these jobs. And if you're a homeowner, you can do these exact same things. You do not need to hire anybody to come service your yard. Save your money in DIY, guys. Do it yourself. And for you landscapers who didn't know how to do some of the things, thanks for checking out this video. Guys, if this video has been helpful, informational, you learned something, please hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications. And you'll be notified next time BYD uploads another video. Once again, you're tuned into Bermuda Grass Central with BYD. This is Michael Bowman, and I'll talk to you soon.